Are you tired of washing your hands? Are your hands feeling dry and paper-like and you really don't think it's doing anything? How does simple hand washing prevent you from becoming infected with the bacteria, or more importantly, COVID-19? If you're anything like me, you've wondered the same question. Well, here's why you can't stop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I give you insight on how you can stay healthy with diet and lifestyle modifications. Today we're going to discuss hand washing. With the coronavirus pandemic going on, all you hear is wash your hands, wash your hands. How does washing your hands do anything? And what really happens when you're washing your hands? So how exactly does soap and water kill parasites, bacteria, and the powerful COVID-19? So most viruses, bacteria, and parasites are structured pretty similar, and they use the same process to enter our body. So let's take a look at what the virus actually looks like. The virus is surrounded with protein spikes that stick out of the virus. And under the layer of spikes, there's a layer of lipids, which we know as fat. So what happens when you're washing your hands? The soap actually gets between the protein and the virus, and it attacks the greasy layer in between. And it pretty much dissolves the greasy layer, dismantling the virus itself. Take, for example, a greasy plate. If you rinse off a greasy plate with just plain water, you'll still see the layer of fat on the plate. Now, once you introduce scrubbing and soap onto that same plate, the grease actually starts to dissolve and you'll see that the plate becomes clean. So that's pretty much what happens within the coronavirus. The protein spikes are actually what the virus uses to attach to our cells. And once you introduce soap and water, it targets the fat layer, dismantling the virus itself. So by washing our hands and dismantling the fat layer that attaches the virus to the protein, we're dismantling the virus itself. And it's not just simple washing your hands. The CDC recommends a minimum of 20 seconds of friction, good hand washing, getting in all the creases and crevices, getting in between your nail beds to actually dismantle and target the fat layer on most viruses and bacteria, eliminating them, causing them to be inactive. After tons of research, the CDC determined that it didn't necessarily have to be an antimicrobial soap. It didn't have to be a fancy soap. The power of washing your hands is the friction that you apply, the 20 seconds that you give it, and making sure you're getting into all of the creases and crevices. Now, after the 20 seconds of washing your hands, make sure all Now, after washing your hands for the 20 minutes. Now, after washing your hands for 20 seconds, make sure all soap suds are rinsed off completely. This is how the bacteria, the viruses, the parasites are going to be eliminated from your hand. And once you're done rinsing, you want to make sure that your hands are dried completely. Wet hands may still have some type of bacteria lingering, so make sure that you're drying your hands completely. So if you've gotten tired of washing your hands, don't stop. You're preventing yourself from becoming infected with not only COVID-19, but other bacteria and parasites that are out there. For the next 30 days, all of my videos are going to focus on how to stay healthy during this coronavirus pandemic. I'm going to include foods that help to boost your immune system, foods that you should avoid. I'll include explanations as to why certain foods should be eliminated. But for now, continue to stay healthy, continue social distancing. We will get through this together. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I share quick and easy tips on how you can stay healthy daily. Be sure to subscribe and share this video with a family member or a friend. We all need to stay informed on how we can stay healthy, boost our immune system to get through this pandemic without becoming sick. Until next time, stay healthy.
Thank you for joining me. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Getting Healthy with Dr. T.